Much like the router, the initial start of the catalyst switch is dependent on the startup expertise that initializes the switch software. In addition, the startup uses the default configuration parameters that are found on the switch, and by default, when we get a new switch, it's not going to have any configuration on it. Therefore, it's going to use the same auto setup mode that we saw on the router. Before we actually start the switch, we need to verify the cabling and verify that we have a console connection. A new switch can't be accessed using Telnet because it's not installed. We then want to make sure that we attach the power supply cable plugged to the socket, plug it in, make sure it's on, observe the boot sequence by looking at the LEDs on the chassis, and also look at the output that is being displayed on the console configuration. It's important that we see the correlation between the power on self-test that's going to take place and the status of the LEDs that we see on the front panel.